That bee sure seems busy. And so does that one. And that one too. They're all so busy. Well, except that one. Those bees are busy making honey. I wonder, how do bees make honey? Yes, let's go into the beehive. I'm gonna need wings and the excavator arm.
Wings, excavator arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Now, we just need to make like a bee and be tinier. Shrinking down. You're right, Tabs. The bee's tongue is in the flower. Hey, it's me, Blippi. This is Tabs. I was wondering how you make honey.
Hey, Blippi, I'm Bijon. Honey, huh? This is the place to be. So I'm using my tongue to drink in this sweet nectar. It's how we bees start to make honey. Okay, time to buzz. Into the beehive. Follow me. Spoiler, lots of bees working. It's like a honey factory in there.
Bijon, are they all chewing nectar?
Sure are. Gotta chew, that's what we do. Chewing makes it thicker. Can't have runny honey. I rhymed again.
And after you chew, then you have honey?
No, there's more to show. We chew, then we swallow. The nectar stays in our bellies, becomes honey, then we put it in the honeycomb.
The honeycomb?
Yep, we store the honey in the honeycomb.
Maybe I can taste some honey.
Oh dear. This may look funny, but flapping our wings is how we make thicker honey. It's a bee thing.
Whoa! Yes, Tabs, I have the answer to my question. How do bees make honey? They get nectar from flowers, chew it, store it in their stomachs, then put the honey in a honeycomb and flap their wings over it. Upload answer, Tabs. Bye, Bijon. Thanks for being you.